Welcome back to our Financial Independence Friday series. We've done extensive research to bring you today's video in which we're diving deep into the exciting world of mutual funds. I know what you're thinking. Wow, mutual funds, how exciting. But hey, trust me, it's not as boring as you might think. We've done the research and we're ready to reveal the top 5 mutual funds currently on the market. So make sure you watch until the end. Hold on to your hats and get ready for some financial fun. If you'd like to learn how to become a better investor to achieve financial freedom, make sure you hit the subscribe button with our logo on the top left right now so you don't miss any future videos. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, what the heck is a mutual fund? Well, my dear friends, a mutual fund is a pool of money from multiple investors that is managed by a professional fund manager. This fund manager invests the money in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other securities with the goal of maximizing returns for the investors. When it comes to investing, mutual funds can be a reliable way to boost your assets over time. We'll provide some tips to help you choose the best mutual fund for your needs. But with so many mutual funds out there, how do you know which one to choose? Fear not, my friends, we've got you covered. To compile our list of the best mutual funds, we began with a long list of funds screened for high performance, reasonable risk, and low expenses. From this roster, we arranged funds by best return since 2009, giving us over a 10-year track record. We manually reviewed funds that performed well during advancing markets and lost less than average during declining markets. Finally, we individually reviewed each fund's investment style and strategy to uncover those with the potential to continue their outperformance during the current and future market cycles. First things first, before you start investing in mutual funds, you need to determine your financial goals and risk tolerance. Are you investing for the long term or short term? Are you comfortable taking risks, or do you prefer a more conservative approach? Answering questions like these about your financial goals is essential before you begin diving into the world of mutual funds. Another factor to consider is the management team of each fund. Are they experienced and successful? Do they have a track record of making sound investment decisions? You don't want to invest your hard-earned money with a manager who has a history of making poor investment choices. Do you? There are 3 characteristics of a reliable mutual fund. The first is upfront pricing and information. Stick with well-known names and managers who are upfront about their fees and employ well-known advisors to manage customers' investments. One of the most important things to look for is a fund with low fees. Don't be fooled by fancy advertising or high expense ratios. High fees can eat into your profits quickly. And let's be real, who wants that? Unless a mutual fund performs phenomenally for multiple years on end, there is no excuse for companies to charge high expense ratios per fund. And lastly, choose a mutual fund with good performance over an extended period. Sure, a fund might have had a great year, but what about the past 10 or 20 years? You want a fund that has consistently increased in value over time. Don't take risks on mutual funds that haven't proven themselves. With these tips in mind, you're on your way to choosing the best mutual fund for your needs. Now, without further ado, let's get into our top 5 mutual funds currently on the market. At number 1, Voya Russell Large Cap Growth Index Portfolio, ticker symbol IRLNX. This fund's inception year is 2009 and has averaged 15.17% since then. At number 2, MFS Massachusetts Investors Growth Stock Fund, ticker symbol MIGNX. This fund has averaged 14.57% since 2009 and 10.62% since the inception year of 1935. At number 3, Thrivent Midcap Stock Fund, ticker symbol TMSIX. This fund has averaged 14.31% since 2009 and 9.44% since the inception year of 1997. Number 4, T. Rowe Price Dividend Growth Fund, ticker symbol PRDGX. This fund has averaged 13.30% since 2009 and 9.95% since the inception year of 1992. And rounding out our top 5, Fidelity Select Brokerage and Investment Management Portfolio, ticker symbol FSLBX. This fund has averaged 12.65% since 2009 and 11.1% since the inception year of 1985. That concludes our video. If you enjoyed this information, please comment, like, and share. Also, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our Friday series on the steps to achieving financial independence. Thanks for watching.